This is a retake of the elevators at some apartment building in Uptown / Bluff, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There's Adam. I recorded these before. These were Dover Impulse in the 80s, and they're still Dover, but they've now gotten a slap on them on by industrial commercial using thyssenkrupp stuff, Magnus classic buttons. Lower level. They probably ordered the stuff from Vertical Express. I'm starting on 2 because there's leasing office on 1. Here we're at lower level, and now I painted a mural down here since I was last year. The other car's actually sitting down here. It has the fan on, it's not currently running. Up to 6. It'll close when you press the button. Here we go. These are definitely still relay controlled Dover Computamatic elevators. Actually, watch the indicator, the reflection there. Definitely very nice and interesting. Atrium glass elevators for an apartment building like this. This is an office building. These elevators are from them. You're at 6. And we landed down at 2. That's where Adam is. Yep, we have thyssenkrupp COPs now. I think these cabs were redone since I was last year too. I think they did the decoration with like tape. Well, it looks alright, isn't too bad. Rather interesting here. Arrow goes out right as the floor changes, or I guess it's on that terminal landings here back too.